Hello and welcome to another video walk around. My name is Christian. Today we're going to be looking at a 2018 Toyota C-HR XLE. This is a 5-passenger 4-door crossover and blue Eclipse metallic. Under the hood you'll find a 2-liter 4-cylinder driving on 18-inch wheels. Some of your great exterior features include your sporty front end, turn signals on the side mirrors, backup camera, and the proximity smart key system, which allows for easy access. But now why don't we hop inside the C-HR and see what else it has to offer. Helping us inside is our key fob here. It's got our lock and unlock button as well as our panic button on the bottom. This C-HR does have a proximity smart key system, so if you got your key fob in your pocket, you can press these grooves here and the vehicle will unlock. And to unlock it, just put your hand right in there. First things first is the door. On the bottom you got some storage space along the entire side. Above it are your power windows, locks, and mirrors. Equipped with all-weather mats and black cloth seating. And on the bottom you'll find your manual and power seating adjustment button and handles. Now let's hop inside the C-HR. Start it up. It is a push start, foot on the brake, engine start button. First things first is the steering wheel. We're going to take a look on the left side. Here you have your volume options, and these arrows right here will just help you navigate through your entertainment screen located in the center. You also have your hands-free calling and your voice recognition system. Moving to the right, you have these arrows right here, and this will help you navigate through your multi-information display. And while we're up here, let's just show you that the C-HR does have 39,190 kilometers on it. Below that, you have your Toyota Safety Sense with dynamic radar cruise control and lane departure assist right there. Here you have your cruise control speed settings. If we move on to our screen here, right now we're on audio sources. You have your standard AM and FM options. Of course, you also have choice between USB, auxiliary, and Bluetooth. Now, if we go into reverse, the backup camera is actually up top right there. Kind of neat. Moving down to our climate control system, it is a dual zone, so you can adjust the temperatures on both sides. You also have your driver heated seat button and your passenger heated seat button. Moving just below that, you have your cup holders, some storage space, and your USB and auxiliary. Here's your shifter with your electronic parking brake. You got one more cup holder behind that. And the center console, lots of room in there, and it features the 12-volt outlet. And lastly is the glove box. Press that button, pops right down. Plenty of space in here. Does also feature your owner's manual. Now we're going to close that up. Before we take a look at cargo, let's first take a look in the back. In the door you do have a nice little cup holder. Continuing with the all-weather mats and black cloth seating. And these seats do fold down. So you got to press this button here and that'll give you access to your cargo. So to open up, all we got to do is press the button right under the Toyota emblem. That liftgate opens nice and easy for us. Plenty of cargo space in the back of this C-HR. Of course, we have the folding seats that fold down like I mentioned. That'll give you some extra bit of space. And lastly, underneath here, if we pull this up, you do have your spare tire to change that in case that ever goes out on you. Close up, we got this handle up top. Just give it a gentle push. Taking a last look at our 2018 Toyota C-HR XLE. Once again, some of those great interior features include your heated seats, hands-free calling, Bluetooth compatibility, and a backup camera. There's still a whole lot more I didn't get a chance to show you, so why don't you come on down and take it for a test drive. We're located here at Toyota Northwest Edmonton on the corner of 137th Ave and St.Albert Trail. Thank you for watching this walk around video. My name is Christian, and as always, drive safe.